Say hi.
Come here. No, come here.
He's not your cat.
Don't fucking come here telling me what he is and what he isn't. Obviously he's something to me if he's turning me on. Come here.
It's on video.
No, don't leave. Don't leave. Come on, I like you. Come on, no. I thought you were supposed to turn me on. Too much? Are your ball rate palpitating? Is this turning you on too? Is me rubbing your ear turning you on? Yeah? No, it doesn't. He wants it. He's putting his paw. He wants it. He wants it. He wants it. He wants me. Come here. Come here, my lover. My neck is right here. Yeah. Why you don't love me no more? Oh, hello. A little bit lower, my neck, not my ear. Oh, stop breathing my eye. Not my ear. My neck, boy.
Did he just do that?
What?
What? I saw that.
You sexually touching me.
This video's ending now. Like, seriously.
What? Give me a little. See, you don't longer kiss me.
Okay, bye.